It's getting into the waters of the state. We're drinking that water, it's getting into the air we breathe. We're living in these environments, and we have some very polluted environments in California, and if we don't maintain that and manage it, then it's just going to get worse. My name's Andrew Guglielmo. I am a senior project manager out of California with KERAMIDA. I help with stormwater compliance, hazardous materials, maintenance and management. California regulates industrial stormwater, so where the rain falls on your industrial facility, you're responsible, the client is responsible for that pollution getting picked up and transported into a water of the state, whether it's a lake, a river, and ultimately the ocean. Additional pollutants are being regulated at a higher standard than previously allowed under the permit. So these are rivers and streams that have been identified to have elevated levels of copper, diazon, whatever biochemical oxygen demand, whatever the pollutant is that's been identified in that river or stream. Everyone who discharges into that river, whether it's through an MS4 or direct stormwater discharge, is now being held to a higher standard. So at KERAMIDA, we will come in, we will do a site visit, we will assess where the pollutant sources are, how that water can potentially be conveyed into the stormwater and the rivers and lakes and water bodies of the state. We'll provide solutions for how to mitigate the releases of those pollutants, as well as help them maintain and manage the compliance, whether it's regular reporting, inspections, and so on. We have over 75 years of experience in the industry, whether it's with foundries, machine shops. We've been doing this ever since the rule came about in California. We've watched it develop, we've seen the changes. We have folks in Southern California and Northern California to monitor the different regional water boards and see what changes they're implementing. It doesn't change statewide, it will change per region of California. And so we have folks that will monitor that and can have a tailored solution to different clients' needs based on their location in California. We see ourselves not as a consultant, but as a partner in compliance with whoever contacts us. We're familiar with the regulations in California. It's what we do day in and day out. They're worried about making their product. We're worried about the regulations. We care about your facility just as much as you do. We want to make sure you're in compliance. We want to make sure you're saving money. You don't have to deal with third-party organizations, with regulatory organizations, and we really feel strongly about the community. So we really take ownership of their compliance as well. And so our goal is to help them stay in compliance. If you have any compliance questions and you reach out to KERAMIDA, you're going to talk to me directly. You're not getting sent to a help desk to get rerouted 4 different times. You're going to talk to me, or you're going to talk to another professional in KERAMIDA that has experience with California regulations, and we'll get you the help you need.